This video I will explain how to pay electricity bill on PhonePe. Paying your electricity bill is now very easy using PhonePe. You can do it from your home in just few minutes. What is an electricity bill? An electricity bill is the amount you need to pay for the electricity you use in your home. You usually receive this bill every month with a due date. If you do not pay on time, services may be affected. Now we will see what you need before paying. Before using PhonePe, make sure your bank account is linked to PhonePe. You have set your UPI PIN. You have your consumer number. What is a consumer number? A consumer number is a unique number printed on your electricity bill. Consumer number identifies your connection. What is UPI? PhonePe uses Unified Payments Interface, which is nothing but UPI. UPI allows instant payment directly from your bank account. Now we will see how to pay the electricity bill. First, you have to open the PhonePe app. On the home screen, tab Electricity under the Bill Payments. Then you have to choose your electricity board. For example, Bescom, TNEB, etc. Then you have to enter your consumer number. PhonePe will fetch your bill details. You will see total bill amount and due date. Always verify before paying. Then tap on Pay. Enter your UPI PIN. UPI PIN is a secret number which is used to confirm your payment. After entering the correct UPI PIN, money is deducted from your bank account. Your bill is paid instantly. You will see a payment success message. Now we will see the real life example. Ravi receives his electricity bill of 1500 rupees. Instead of going to the electricity office, he opens PhonePe, selects electricity, chooses his provider, enters his consumer number, confirms 1500 rupees, enters UPI PIN. His bill is paid within seconds.
Last time we talked, you had nothing to say. You chose to walk, give what we had away. I hope you get what you're looking for, but babe, with me, you close the door.
What are the benefits of using PhonePe for electricity bills? You no need to stand in queues. PhonePe available anytime, 24/7. Instant payment. Easy to track payment history. Safe and secure. What are the common mistakes you have to avoid? Entering wrong consumer number. Not checking the bill amount. Sharing your UPI PIN. Always verify the details before paying. Here you can see the summary of whatever we have discussed.